There was a time in my life when fear whispered louder than faith. I remember lying awake at night, anxious about everything: the future, my purpose, my ability to overcome what I was facing. Maybe you felt that too. That tight grip of fear that makes you second-guess every decision. The doubt that creeps in when you pray but feel like heaven is silent. Fear of failure. Doubt about whether you're truly enough. It's something we all battle, quietly, daily. But here's the truth. Fear and doubt are thieves. They steal your peace, your confidence, your obedience to God. They paralyze your steps and keep you trapped in a life far smaller than the one you were meant for. But God never called you to live in fear. He called you to live by faith, to walk in courage, and to trust His promises, even in the dark. Don't give up on life. Be positive. God is realigning you with your purpose.